In a standard wall, holes can be made between each set of studs at 3 feet, 6 feet, and then as close to the top of the wall as possible. Slow-rise foam can only be used in an empty vertical wall. Ceiling or floor applications are not recommended. Whatever tubing you decide to purchase to attach the nozzles should be cut no longer than 3 feet and ideally have an inner diameter of 5/16. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to how long to hold the trigger when filling a wall cavity, so there will be some trial and error. Splinting the tubing can be helpful to make sure you're pointing the foam downward in the cavity, and it's highly recommended to use clear tubing so you can see the foam is green going into the wall. Need a more detailed project guide? Contact Foam It Green.